Hello, my name is Ajay Meena and welcome to my videos on effective study techniques. As a student, we all know how challenging it can be to stay focused and motivated while studying. That's why I wanted to share some tips and techniques that have helped me to study more effectively and efficiently. I hope these tips will help you to reach your goals. We will go with the 5 tips. So here's our tip number 1: create a study schedule. The first tip I wanted to share with you is important: the study schedule. By setting the specific time for studying, you will be more likely to stick to the routine and stay focused. Make sure you are allocating enough time for each subject and try to stick to the same schedule each day. So you will become habitual and you will enjoying the studying the way you study. Tip number 2: organize your study materials. The most and minor thing, the organize your study material. This will save your time and help you to stay focused. Keep all of your notes, textbook and other study material in a place like on your study table where you can easily access them, and make sure you are keeping your notes in the format that easy to understand and revision so quickly. Only note down the advanced and highlighted things. So here our tip number 3: practice active recall. The third tip is to practice active recall. Tip number 3 is dependent on your tip number 2 on your notes. The practice active recall depended. This means trying to recall information by summarizing it in your own words, teaching it to someone else like your friends or group mates, or discussing about the topic, making flashcards. This will help you to understand and remember the information better. With the tip number 4, you have to note down only effective notes. When you are in the class or you are studying from any website or any app, make sure you are focusing on the key concept, definitions or examples or any clinical cases and diagrams. This will make it easier to study from your notes later or revising it faster. Here's our tip number 5. The final tip is to find a study environment that works for you. Some people prefer a quiet and comfortable space, while others like to study with the bustling environment or wearing headphones while listening music. Like me, while studying, I need any background music which is chill out or any relaxing music, so I can stay focused more. That will help you to stay motivated also. I hope these tips have been helpful in improving your study habits. Remember that everyone's have study schedule different, so make your own study schedule, adjusting these tips to suit your own needs and lifestyle according to your college time or your class time. And most importantly, don't be too hard on yourself. Take it easy peasy and take a regular breaks while studying. If you like my tips, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. Good luck with your studies. Bye bye.